let n be the least positive integer such that 168 is a factor of 1134 to the power n. Let's solve it first. सबसे पहला स्टेप हम क्या करेंगे, 168 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करेंगे. तो जब हम ये करते हैं हमें मिलता है 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 1 into 7 to the power 1. This is the prime factorization of 168. And let's do the same for 1134 also. So 1134 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन अगर करते हैं तो ये आता है 2 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 4 into 7 to the power 1. This is what I am getting. Okay, now I have to find out the least positive value of n first. So guys, आप देख सकते हो कि आप कह रहे हो 168 1134 का एक फैक्टर है, तो 168 में 3 की पावर 1 प्रेजेंट है, 1134 में 3 की पावर 4, यानी yes 3 can be a factor of it. 7 can also be a factor of it. To make 2 to the power 3 a factor of 1134, we need to take the minimum power of 1134 as 3, क्योंकि currently we have the power as 1. यानी इससे हमें समझ में आया कि 1134 की पावर अगर हम 3 लेंगे तब हम ये कह पाएंगे कि 168 जो है वो 1134 की पावर 3 का एक फैक्टर है, राइट. तो यहां से हमारी n की वैल्यू निकल के आ जाती है 3. नाउ टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ m, first let's define what m is. So it says that if m be the least positive integer such that 1134 to the power n is a factor of 168 to the power n. Now we got our n, यानी हम ये कह रहे हैं कि ये वाला जो पोर्शन है पूरा ये फैक्टर होगा इसका, राइट. उसके लिए m की लीस्ट वैल्यू क्या होनी चाहिए, तो पहले इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. सो दिस बिकम्स 2 to the power 3, 3 to the power 12 and 7 to the power 3 again. Right, this is what we're getting. We can see that in 168 to the power 1, we have 2 to the power 3, yes, which is present. Here we have 3 to the power 12, but here we have only 3 to the power 1. That means we need to take minimum value, minimum power of 168 as 12. Then only we can say that 168 to the power 12 will be a factor of 1134 to the power 3. From that we can say that m is nothing but 12. So my value of m plus n is 12 plus 3, 15. Correct answer is C.